I got my motor controller to work.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Neat, right?
I'm gonna put on this.
No, I'm gonna put on the boat. Got the dog up with it.
They're not.
Well, hello there. It's me, American Boathead. Today I'm gonna spit out my gum because that's so stinking rude. And I'm gonna show you a video of how I messed up so big time. So here's my controller here. My whole beautiful controller set up. And it's got a computer chip inside of it and some relay stuff. All sorts of cool stuff in a nice little package. And this one I tore all apart. So I'm gonna reorder this little Arduino Thino. And just in case, I'm gonna order this, I think it's an Arduino Nano. And reorder whatever this is. Some kind of a flux capacitor, and try to rewrap it in whatever this lunar space liner material is and put it back on there just the way it's on here, the little heat shrink and some zip ties. So I don't want to give away some secret information that the guy Ned that made this might not want out there. I don't know. It's cool though, right? Has it got actual bearings in here? He did not skimp. So I owe it to him and to myself and to every one of you that's followed to buy these parts and reprogram it. I've messed with Arduinos before, so I'm not very scared of it. And get this puppy going. This is gonna go up here. Don't go away yet. I feel like I'm losing you. You got to see the video of me screwing up. I need you to help me test this out.
Okay, I'll go. Would you want me to go in the boat?
Bet you want one of these, don't you, for your little steering? I got 2 of them today for free. Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
This feels like a bed.
We got this one all hooked up.
Okay.
And I just need to plug it in and we'll try testing it again, even though I've already tested it.
Oh.
But this way you can help me.
Oh.
Okay. So we have to go all the way up, all the way down, and back to the middle. And then try pushing it forward. It works! That's backwards. Way to go, Ned, it works. Try to go all the way forward. Yeah. Now what I want to know is if I can simply reverse the polarity and hopefully it won't blow up. I should probably reverse the polarity on the way out.
Oh. Yeah,
Probably already blew it
still
up.
in here.
I heard a
Oh,
noise
it's
in
like
there.
a big bridge.
Try this again.
And this one won't work.
Hope I didn't already ruin this.
You did. Thanks. You did.
Probably did.
Reverse the utilities so we can put this on. Great. Put it on there.
Oh no.
What?
Probably fried this one.
Oh. Instead of fry.
Yeah.
try me?
Like, burned it up and ruined it.
Oh. Ruined what?
Ruined the controller on here. I put it. Oh my gosh, I'm such a.
This is a bad video.
This is not a good video.
Huh? We shouldn't tell this to our family now.
This is not good. Why did I do that? Maybe there's a reset button on here.
I don't think there is.
Oh, why did I do that? I was going to try to reverse it so we'd go backwards because the controller's upside down. But I wasn't thinking when I did it. So now I pumped everything in there backwards and probably ruined it.
How?
Yeah, pretty neat, right?
No, it's not.
No, it's really not. Not neat at all.
You broke it again.
Oh, great.
Oh.
Well, I guess I gotta contact Ned in New Zealand and tell him what I did and see if there's any way to fix it. I probably fried it and it's probably ruined and I'm probably gonna have to get a new one or something.
I guess you have to. Please, can you?
Yeah, I'll try. I know the other one will probably work.
Like that one?
Alright, so I got battery hooked up, 12 volts going in, and this goes directly to this little component here. From what I can tell, this is called a voltage buck converter. Basically drops 12 volts coming in through this capacitor and some kind of magnetic field thing and another capacitor down to 5 volts or 9, I'm not sure which this is, to run the circuit board off of it. And the Arduino plugs in right here to the other side of this. So that tells things what to do. So I test here to here, and I got 12.5 volts. That's straight from the battery voltage. Now I'm going to test if it comes out. It should be coming out here at 5 volts. And in a way, I hope it doesn't, because that means I can probably just replace this and my controller will work again. And I got 0 volts. So, fingers crossed that all I did was messed up something in here, blew it up, and it resulted in no negative current going anywhere beyond into the other components. So it's kind of cool that I did this in a way, because I've been resisting learning about this stuff, no pun intended. And I didn't know that I had a capacity to learn this stuff. Oh, yes! I got another one coming on Amazon. One down. One's up. Okay. So that is the bad one. I bet people are cringing now that I did that. Out, in. So I'm gonna... That's the negative. Okay, in positive, there we go. Iron here set at 350. I don't know why, but I feel like I've heard that before. Do a little preheat on there. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to breathe in all that smoke that I can. want to get down to 5. My light is off, which isn't a good thing, I'm sure. Down to 1.2 volts. Maybe I need a little more voltage to even have the diode on. Quarter turn back. .98. I don't know if that'll ruin anything or not. Barely touch her. 5.5.05. Okay, now I just got to put it all back together. See if it works.